This Facebook tip comes from our very own Design Squad member, Cindy Holt. And the Etch and Pearl, which is this tool right here, is her favorite tool. What's great about this tool is that there are two ends. This end is the pointed end, and it's great for piercing beads that you can even bake on because this is aluminum, or for adding detail into your clay creations like etching and drawing lines. So it's very easy to do. All you do is you take the concave end of the Etch and Pearl and you put it on a damp sponge to get it a little bit wet. And now make sure you're working on a ceramic tile. That's very important because the pearls are going to stick to it once you're done. So what you do is you insert the Etch and Pearl into the rolled sheet of clay, and then you twist, insert, twist, and you just keep doing this depending on how many pearls you want to make. And then when you're done and you lift up, you've got all of your pearls stuck to the ceramic tile. Super easy to remove them by just taking the super slicer and just lifting them up. And then you can place them on jewelry pieces or home decor or really any clay creation that you want to make. So that was this month's Facebook tip of the month, and stay tuned next month for another exciting tip. Thanks!